Welcome to Quick Tips. I'm Max. Today's tip is a critical safety point regarding QuickJack's hydraulic hoses. Let's hit it. Picture this. You're just about ready to pull your car into the garage. Your QuickJack is already set up and waiting for you. But the hoses are lying there in the driveway. You're not sure if they're designed to withstand the abuse of a vehicle rolling over them again and again and again, but you figure it's probably okay and you drive over them anyway. If this is you, you need to stop. When you run over a hydraulic hose, you risk everything from tiny tears to collapsed hose walls to a complete rupture. And damages of this kind are not covered in your warranty, so you're paying out of pocket if you crush a hose. Instead of driving over the hoses, disconnect them at the Quick Connect fitting and move the long hose out of the way, and then reconnect them. And hey, thanks for watching this quick tip. Make sure you subscribe because I got a great tip for you next week and I don't want you to miss it. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some very important work to take care of.